you, it's always you. If I'm ever gonna fall in love, I know it's gonna be you. It's you, it's always you. Met a lot of people, but nobody feels like you. So please don't break my heart, don't tear me apart. I know how it starts, trust me, I've been broken before. Don't break me again, I am delicate. Please don't break my heart, trust me, I've been broken before. I've been broken, yeah, I know how it feels to be open and then find out your love isn't real. I'm still hurting, yeah, I'm hurting inside. I'm so scared to fall in love, but if it's you, then I'll try. It's you, it's always you. If I'm ever gonna fall in love, I know it's gonna be you. It's you, it's always you. Met a lot of people, but nobody feels like you. So please don't break my heart, don't tear me apart. I know how it starts, trust me, I've been broken before. Don't break me again, I am delicate. Please don't break my heart, trust me, I've been broken before. No, I'm not the best at choosing lovers. We both know my past speaks for itself. If you don't think that we're right for each other, then please don't let history repeat itself. Cause I want you, I want you. There's nothing else I want. Cause I want you, I want you. And you're the only thing I want. It's you, it's always you. If I'm ever gonna fall in love, I know it's gonna be you. It's you, it's always you. Met a lot of people, but nobody feels like you. So please don't break my heart, don't tear me apart. I know how it starts, trust me, I've been broken before. Don't break me again, I am delicate. Please don't break my heart, trust me, I've been broken before.
Here we go. You're gonna give me like a triple step or a cha-cha or a 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go front, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. And when you do that, all your weight is on your left foot. Yes, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All my weight is on my left foot. You're gonna tap front, tap back, tap, tap. Now here's the key to this. Everybody face front. When I tap, that's the foot that's going to start working. Okay, so watch it for a second. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, tap, tap. This front foot that I'm tapping with is the foot that's going to do it back. So 1, 2, 3, tap, tap. That front foot is going to take me again. Okay? Let's try. We're going to go really slow. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, tap, back, walk. 1, 2, 3, tap, front, walk. 1, 2, 3, tap, back. 1, 2, 3, tap, tap. Now on this fourth one, if you're feeling spicy, you're going to turn it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Y'all stay there. So we're going to go front, back. There's 2, one more. There's 3. Now on this one, I'm going to take my foot and go like that. Y'all got real quiet. And we're going to do it again, okay? So we don't slow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tap back wall. 1, 2, 3. Tap front wall. 1, 2, 3. Tap back wall. 1, 2, 3. Now cross your foot. Cross. Turn to the CrossFit room. And turn. Now when you turn, all the weight's on your right foot, so with your left foot, and do it again. Okay, let's practice one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tap. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Tap. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Tap. Turn. Cross your foot. Circle around. The good news is it's the hardest part of the song. Okay? Now we've been doing this movement, our ender. We're going to change this a little bit. So go slow, quick, quick. 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 Now, because I can't leave anything alone, we're going to turn with that. So every time you change feet, you change direction. So it looks like this. We go slow, quick, quick. Slow, back wall, slow. Windows, slow, quick, quick. And if you're like, I don't want to do that turning stuff, you can stay facing front. It's just 4 of them. Okay? You want to do that again? We'll practice it? Okay, so slow first. So slow, quick, quick. So now your right foot's ready to go. We're going to go this way. Slow, quick, quick. Left foot, back wall. Slow, mirrors, slow, quick. Very good. Now give me a slow, bouncy step touch. Step, touch, step, touch. Now walk back, feet are apart, booty shakes. Walk, 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 walk. What are we missing today? What's the one move we have not done today? You got 2 body rolls. 2 body rolls. Okay? So let's put it together. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. Slow. Walk it up. Bounce, bounce. Wide feet walks. 4, 3, 2. Body rolls, body roll. Body roll. Other side. Body roll. Body roll. Now remember, if you end up facing a different direction, it's fine. You're doing a solo. Okay?